Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself stuck with a car key that just won't turn in the ignition, don't worry, you're not alone. Today I'm going to show you a few simple steps to fix that problem without needing to call a mechanic. First things first, let's understand why this happens. There are several common reasons why your key may refuse to turn. Most common causes are steering wheel lock, worn out key, ignition cylinder issues, or dirty ignition key. Now let's try a few quick fixes to turn your ignition key. Step 1. Check the steering wheel. If your car key won't turn, first try gently wiggling the steering wheel left and right while trying to turn the key. This is because sometimes the steering wheel locks if you turn it after removing the key. This can prevent the key from turning. Step 2. Inspect the key. Look for any visible damage or wear on the key. If the key is bent, cracked, or worn out, it might not engage the ignition correctly. If you have a spare key, try using it to see if the problem persists. Step 3. Lubricate the ignition lock. Sometimes dirt and debris inside the ignition can prevent the key from turning. Use a small amount of graphite powder or spray lubricant to clean the ignition lock cylinder. Insert and remove the key a few times to distribute the lubricant. And remember, avoid using oil-based products. They can attract more dirt. Step 4. Check the ignition cylinder. Over time, the ignition cylinder can wear out, preventing the key from turning. If this is the case, you might need to replace the ignition cylinder. Step 5. Check the battery. And finally, for push-to-start systems, a dead or weak battery could be the culprit. Check your key fob battery first and replace it if needed. If the car's battery is low, try jump-starting your car. Step 6. Seek professional help. If the key still won't turn after trying the above methods, it might be time to consult a professional. A locksmith or mechanic can diagnose the issue and make any necessary repairs. Pro tips. 1. Avoid excessive force. Forcing the key to turn can cause damage to the ignition cylinder or key itself. 2. Regular maintenance. Regularly clean and inspect your car keys and ignition lock to prevent issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more car tips and tricks. Have any other car-related issues? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to help out.